Brazilian markets delivered a withering verdict on leftist President Luiz Inacio Lula da Silva's first full day in office on Monday after he pledged to prioritize social issues and ordered a budget-busting extension to a fuel tax exemption. Lula's decision to extend the fuel tax exemption, which will deprive the Treasury of 52.9 billion reais a year in fiscal income, has a stinging rebuke of his financial minister, Fernando Haddad, a Workers' Party loyalist who had said it would not be extended. Haddad is seeking to dispel market fears that he might not maintain fiscal discipline, and he took office on Monday pledging to control spending. Markets seemed unconvinced. The real currency lost 1.5% in value against the dollar in afternoon trading, while the benchmark Sao Paulo stock market index ended 3.06% down. Shares of state-run oil company Petrobras retreated nearly 6.45%. In speeches delivered at his inauguration in Brasilia on Sunday, Lula promised that tackling hunger and poverty would be the hallmark of his third presidency, after two previous stints running the country from 2003 to 2010. Financial analysts said the start of Lula's third presidency was in line with his campaign promises and looked similar to earlier Workers' Party policies that led to a deep recession. Lula narrowly defeated far-right incumbent Jair Bolsonaro in October, swinging South America's largest nation back on a left-wing track.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
On Monday, Lula instructed ministers to revoke steps to privatize state companies taken by the previous administration, including studies to sell Petrobras, the post office and state broadcasting company EBC. On Sunday, he signed a decree extending an exemption for fuels from federal taxes, a measure passed by his predecessor aimed at lowering their cost in the run-up to the election, but which will deprive the Treasury of 52.9 billion reais a year in fiscal income. The federal tax exemption for fuels will last 1 year for diesel and biodiesel and 2 months for gasoline and ethanol, a decree published in the official Gazette showed on Monday. Well, let us know your thoughts in the comments section. You can like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for video notifications. I'm Rachel for Kalkine Media.